Hey everybody, how you doing? It is me, Timothy. Out for a relaxing October walk and listening to these crisp fall leaves. And checking out some of the fall color that's taken place, well, supposed to be taking place. See some of the trees still got green on them. And here it is, what? October 19th, I believe. Yeah, October 19th. Tell ya, some of these trees are just taking their sweet old time to get some color on them, people. You know, I've never seen anything like this. Usually, I thought by now, they be all in fall bloom, fall colors. But I guess not. Not quite yet, I guess. And like I say, what I heard, we might not see a good fall color this year because of the lack of rain and the dryness this summer. So how's everybody doing out there on this Friday? Well, I hope your Friday has been a good one so far. Now, how's the weather for you? Well, ours is kind of a cloudy one here in Michigan today. Yeah, cloudy one. That's typical for Michigan. We're supposed to be getting some rain sometime this afternoon. Don't know when, but sometime this afternoon. And then it's supposed to rain all night tonight, and then I guess, but I've been hearing we're supposed to have a mix of rain and snow tomorrow here in Michigan. If you'd like me to, I'll send it your direction. Just drop a comment below and let me know. I see they put gravel rock down here on the trail. Now, I wonder why they did that for. They've been having problems up here of this flooding a lot. Well, maybe that's why they brought out gravel rock. Never seen gravel rock on the trails before. First see gravel rock out here. That's weird. See, they've been maintaining the park out here. Don't know who's been doing it. But yeah, they've been doing it. A good job on it. Would rather see dirt instead of gravel rock. Well, I don't know if the city's been doing their job out here or not. I see they've been keeping the trails cut. And everything. So what y'all been up to today? Well, me, what have I been up to? That's been so interesting in my life. Well, let's see. What did I do? Well, I got up this morning about 7 and sat around and let's see, waited for the coffee to get done. Well, then I took my blood to see what that was this morning, and then after that I decided to wait for my son to get him his cup of coffee. So he got him his cup of coffee, and then I got my cup of coffee after taking my blood. And then after that I took my pills that I'm supposed to take. I did that like a good person does instead of pushing it away. And then after doing that, chilled until my son took his shower. Then I went in and washed up, then got back on the computer and stuff. See, they really messed up this trail big time. Don't know what they did all this for back here. This is ridiculous. You need to leave it alone. I think what they're trying to do is fix the problem back there. Because I always have trouble of it flooding all the time. Up there where the bridge is at. Looks like I'm gonna miss out a train. See, this poor bench has come apart. This poor bench has come apart. Well, it looks like it's all dry back there. But yeah, it's really messy up along here. Let's see. Well, some of the trees back here is losing their leaves and everything. Oh, I know some of you get out and do videos of your fall colors and stuff. I like to check out your fall colors, where you're at. How about some of you get out there and show some of your awesome fall colors? I'd like to see that from some of you out there, showing some fall colors. I bet you got some pretty fall colors where you're at, so how about it? I encourage some of you out there to do a video of your fall colors where you're at. Just get out there in your front yard, or take a walk in your neighborhood. Come on, man, that's why y'all join YouTube. Be part of the YouTube community. Show some of those fall colors where you're at. I like to see some. Can you all do that for me? Please? Pretty please? So what are y'all going to be doing for the rest of this Friday? Me, what am I going to be doing is just chilling here for a little bit. And then after I'm done here, probably walk back to the van and then go back home and chill until I have to pick my son up from work and bring him home. And then after that, I'm sure both of us are going to have to decide on what to have for dinner tonight. Haven't really thought of it yet. But when we do, one of us will go get it and enjoy it. Like always. Yeah, like always. Enjoy a wonderful dinner. And then, after that, and just chill. Probably try to find a baseball game on tonight. I got some interesting games going on. I think the Dodgers and Milwaukee play tonight. And then got some college football on tonight. And then probably got some hockey and some NBA. And all that great stuff. Yeah, all that awesome and great stuff. Yeah. But yeah, I'm a happy person today. Just a happy person. Just happy that, you know, the weekend's going to be upon us, and good to have good variety of things to do, and probably see our first snow. And for tomorrow, maybe. And Then watch some good college football tomorrow. Got the battle between Michigan State and Michigan playing tomorrow. I'll be watching that game. That's going to be a very good game. A very good one. I'm picking Michigan to win that. Well, who knows? State could surprise Michigan. But they're going to have to step it up. And I know they will too. Definitely, they will be stepping it up. Well, everyone, hope you all enjoyed this video here today. And if you did, can you go thumbs up on it? Share it. If you're brand new and came along this video, hit that red subscribe button right there or right there. Click on it and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos that I got. I got plenty on here, so feel free and check them out if you would like. Again, everyone, y'all take it easy out there and have a fantastic one. And if any of you out there is getting close to going into Saturday or almost stepping into Saturday or already into Saturday, wherever you're at, well, happy Saturday to you and yours. And if you're still into Friday and having a great, great Friday wherever you're at, well, hey, happy Friday to you. Again, everyone, y'all take it easy. Have a terrific one, everybody. And I'll end this letting you hear the leaves blow on the trees.